नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका भीम न्यूज इंडिया में। आप देख रहे हैं भीम न्यूज इंडिया। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त विनय कुमार सिंघल। कोटा में 50 साल का अपना सफ़र पूरा होने पर भुवनेश बाल विद्यालय ने अपना एक वार्षिक उत्सव संपन्न कराया, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में लोगों ने भाग लिया। देखिए एक रिपोर्ट।
Sing was what life's about. Then slowly we glide to beats so sleek, where reels and rhythm both now speak. Good evening once again to all.
And now we are going to start the prize distribution ceremony. But before that, कुछ पंक्तियां आपके सामने लेकर आए हैं जो बच्चों को भी प्रोत्साहित करेंगे। और जब मैं इस चौथी पंक्ति पर आऊँगा तो आप सब मेरे साथ जुड़ जाएंगे। देखिएगा कि डुबकियाँ सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, डुबकियाँ सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, वो तल पर जाता है और ऊपर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, लेकिन मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। इसी के साथ आप सबकी तालियां चाहेंगे। तालियों में थोड़ी सी कंजूसी कम करें और बच्चों का प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाएं। नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड,
We are going to felicitate the students who have shown brilliance in both academics and sports, achieving balance, discipline, and determination.
they are the true reflection of what this institution stands for: strength in thoughts and excellence in action. We now request our distinguished chief guest, Group Commander NCC Kota Group, Colonel
Position in English debate competition. Avni Sharma, class 7th, achieved first position in drawing competition in the junior category. Charvi Sharma, class 11th, achieved second position in drawing competition in the senior category. Durva Mittal, class 7, achieved third position in solo singing competition. Our school team also achieved the third position in the skit competition amongst all the CBSE schools. We believe that entertainment is also a mode of learning for students. So we organized a memorable excursion for students, and also a movie show, Mufasa, was organized for the students. Our students participated in the campaign started by Honorable PM Shri Narendra Modi ji, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, with every child planting one plant each. The school is often referred to as a second home because it plays a significant role in shaping a student's life beyond just academics. We at Bhuvnesh Bal Vidyalaya are striving to be instrumental in providing the 21st century skills along with conserving our culture and traditions. We promote this concept by celebrating all festivals in the school and hostel. The International Yoga Day was celebrated to instill the awareness about importance of yoga for good health. We have conducted various workshops for the students, cyber awareness workshops, conserving the environment by preparing eco-friendly Lord Ganesha idols during Ganesh Chaturthi, career counseling, awareness program for promoting heart health, self-defense for girls, Agniveer, and motivational lectures. Investiture ceremony was conducted to appoint the school head girl and school head boy and students in many other roles to promote the leadership qualities, teamwork, and a sense of responsibility among students. One Shivir is a distinguished feature of Bhuvnesh Bal Vidyalaya started by Honorable Bhuvnesh ji in 1976. This 3-day adventure camp was conducted in the session 24-25 from 23rd October to 26th October 2024 at Alania for the students of classes 7 to 12. The students participated in many activities and events such as hiking, industrial visits, Nukkad Natak, science exhibition, cyber awareness workshops, and campfire during the Van Shivir. At present, in our school we have 3 NCC troops having 50 cadets each. The Air Wing, the Army Wing Boys and Army Wing Girls under the able guidance of the 3 ENOs, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary, Mr. Ramakant Sharma and Ms. Shweta Pandey. The students participated in NCC camps and were awarded the Best Cadet Awards, Best Shooter Awards and many more. The CBSE promotes ongoing learning and training of teachers. In line with the idea, we encourage our teachers to attend training workshops in their subjects. We conducted financial literacy workshop for teachers through CBSE. 21 teachers attended a workshop for education to kindergarten students. 18 teachers attended a workshop for value education and 4 teachers attended Hindi Bhasha Shikshan workshop. Besides this, our teachers attended numerous online workshops and webinars to be updated in their career as per CBSE norms and requirements. I am delighted to share that the 1981 batch of the school organized an alumni meet on 16 March 2025. And the old students visited the school to refresh their school time childhood moments and created beautiful and everlasting memories. We have upgraded our infrastructure. New computers were purchased during this session. A cricket and lawn tennis academy have been started this year to promote students' interest in sports. The lawn tennis court is now available for the students. The primary wing is being extended by building more classrooms. The construction will be completed by June 2025 and we shall be able to meet the increasing requests for admissions in classes 1 to 5. I would like to express my gratitude to our students, teachers, parents and the staff for their hard work and dedication and the Bal Hitkari Samiti for its unwavering support. We aim to strengthen the bond between the various stakeholders of the institution. Together, we have achieved great things and I am confident that our school will continue to thrive and grow in the years to come and fulfill its commitment to social responsibility. I congratulate everyone present here for the Golden Jubilee celebrations, Swarnima of Bhuvnesh Bal Vidyalaya, and look forward to another year of growth, learning and achievements. Thank you.
मुख्य अतिथि एनसीसी कर्नल सुधांशु शेखर ने बच्चों को पुरस्कार वितरित किए। मुख्य रूप से भावांशी विजयवर्गीय, मयंक मीना, मयंक वर्मा, गौरव देसवाल, प्रियांशी अग्रवाल, काजल पाल, नेहा, निर्भीक, निशान, मोहम्मद अरिस खान, प्रीति, दिव्यांशी मीना, सानवी कुमावत, देवांशी सोनी, कुशाल राघव, मिहिरा खान, सोनाक्षी आहूजा, कशिश रैनवाल, चिरंजीवन, फहद समीर खान, नकुल शर्मा, भाव्यांशी विजयवर्गीय, लक्ष्यराज सिंह राठौड़, याशिका, गौरव यादव, आलिया खान, शिविका नायक और साथ ही बड़ी संख्या में बच्चों को पुरस्कार वितरण किए गए, जिसमें बताते चलें कि देवांशी विजयवर्गीय ने लगभग 3 पुरस्कार प्राप्त किए अपनी उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करते हुए और इसके साथ ही छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने भी पुरस्कार प्राप्त किए। ऐसे बच्चे जिन्होंने अपने 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th और 11th, 12th तक जो अच्छे रिजल्ट दिए हैं या अच्छी रैंक पाई है, उनको भी पुरस्कार और गोल्ड मेडल दिया गया। एनसीसी के कमांडेंट जिन्होंने एनसीसी परेड का नेतृत्व किया है, उसमें आर्मी एयर विंग के जो कैडेट थे, उनको भी इस अवसर पर कर्नल सुधांशु शेखर ने पुरस्कार वितरित किए। आप देख रहे हैं, पुरस्कार प्राप्त करने के पश्चात छात्र और छात्राओं के चेहरे पर एक अजीब सी खुशी देखने को मिलती थी। इन ऐसे कार्यक्रमों में यदि कोई छात्र पुरस्कार प्राप्त करते हैं तो उनके साथ वाले छात्रों में भी आगे बढ़ने की ललक जागृत होती है। इसीलिए इस प्रकार के कार्यक्रम किए जाते हैं और इससे छात्रों को पढ़ाई के साथ चहुमुखी विकास का अवसर मिलता है। आप देख रहे हैं भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट। छात्र पुरस्कार प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, साथ ही खड़ी हैं स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती ग्रोवर और वाइस प्रिंसिपल। आप देखिए भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट। इस अवसर पर रंगारंग कार्यक्रम भी प्रस्तुत किए गए। रंगारंग कार्यक्रमों में जो सफलतम छात्र थे उनको भी सम्मानित किया गया। बताते चले हैं कि जितने भी रंगारंग कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए गए थे इसमें भारत की संस्कृति की झलक मिलती थी और ऐसा लगता था कि भुवनेश बाल विद्यालय में मिनी इंडिया उतर के आया हो। आप देख रहे हैं भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट। विद्यालय का संचालन मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के श्री अजय चतुर्वेदी, विनीत चतुर्वेदी के साथ पूरी स्कूल टीम, जिसमें प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल और प्रत्येक टीचर्स का इसमें योगदान है।
इसी क्रम में दूसरी अध्यापिका हैं सुश्री शीनू चौहान। Now it's time to felicitate the all-rounder student of the school, and the name of the student is Saurabh Meena. Give a huge round of applause.
Now I would request Sir SGS Shekhar sir, Colonel SGS Shekhar sir, to kindly grace the stage with a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause.
Also, usually before going anywhere, I do my homework. So with that note, I would start. Honorable Vice President Mr. Ajay Chaturvedi, Joint Secretary Mr. Vinay Chaturvedi, Finance Secretary Mr. Jagdish Nandwana, Mrs. Tanveer Meet Gaur, Principal, Mrs. Aisha Khan, Vice Principal, esteemed teachers, proud parents, and most importantly, the vibrant students of Bal Bhuvnesh Vidyalaya. I am humbled to be witnessing your Golden Jubilee annual function. It's an honor to be among such talented young minds. As an army officer, I have had the privilege of serving at different places and serving our great nation. I have seen the best and worst of humanity. So during my journey, what I realized, it is not the uniform nor our weapons which creates any impact, but it's our character, our values, and our resilience. I remember my journey as a young cadet while I was there in the Defense Academy to being an intelligence officer. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't quite tough. It taught me valuable lessons of perseverance, teamwork, and leadership. It taught me to stand tall, strong, and together. I am impressed by the efforts of Bhuvnesh fraternity in instilling these values in its students. The school's commitment towards excellence, both academically, extracurricular activities, community services, and NCC-related activities have been commendable. To the teachers, I would like to convey my gratitude for your tireless efforts in shaping these young minds. Your influence is seen beyond the classrooms, well into the future. To the parents, I would like to urge them to continue with their support in shaping the values, character, and choices of their children. Teach your children the aspects of gender sensitivity, which is the need of the hour. Tolerance towards each other, both boys, girls, the respect for boys towards girls and girls towards boys, and transgenders also. To the children, I would say to believe in yourself, believe in your ability and your values. Well, throughout my service of 20 years, I have realized that it is easy to be famous, but it is difficult to earn a name. So earn a name for yourself, your parents, your institution, and overall for our great nation. Imbibe the quality of mutual respect. Let us march ahead to make a difference and make the world a better place. My sincere appreciation to each and every one of you, both teaching, non-teaching, administrative, and those who are on and off the stage, to put up such a marvelous show. You don't have to have a great start, but you have to make your start great. With this note, I would like to thank you for inviting me to witness such a wonderful function, and my deep felt gratitude for this wonderful evening. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आप देख रहे थे भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया। भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया को यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए। भीम न्यूज़ इंडिया के फेसबुक पेज को भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं। न्यूज़ अपडेट के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। देखते रहिए भीम न्यूज़।